What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell, I'm at a new place that you guys have never seen before. This is going to be the new shop, and we are completely, like, I'd say renovating this place. So we're gonna be changing a lot. You guys will see some of the walkthrough in this video, a lot of the walkthrough actually, and kind of like future plans, which I'm sure will change over the next like week or so. We're in the office area right now, which you'll see in a second. I'll walk you guys through everything, but this place is insane, and this is where we're pretty much moving to work on cars now. So it'll be perfect. It's gonna be great. Jake's shop is moving over here, and I'll be over here too all the time. So let me go ahead, show you guys my first time being in here, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a second.
All right, Zach, show them around.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh wow, it is warm in here. Oh my god. Oh, that's a mirror. That tripped me out for a second. I was like, oh really? Dude.
Numero uno.
Oh yeah. Oh dude, high ceilings in even like the office areas. Bro. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a window.
Ah, okay.
Bathroom in the office.
Very nice.
And then this is gonna be like this place is big.
It is huge, bro.
This is gonna be like that. Like this is gonna be like
The break room.
Kind of a break room, or like it'd be kind of like cafe style, like table and people waiting for stuff to get done.
Okay.
So that'll be in here. We'll get the just front done.
Yeah.
Because it's a lot.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, dude, you put the logo right there? Hell yeah. Warning, asbestos and silica dust.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, dude. Oh, this feels like a middle school in here, bro.
Bathroom.
Heck yeah, dude.
Bed's bathroom.
Oh, yeah, that might need a little bit of a...
Yeah.
That might need a little bit of uncrusting. Oh, dude, what's in here?
No, I'll show you.
Okay, all right, we're going in order. We're going in order. I was taking a side quest. I can feel how big it is in here. Dude, I feel small. Oh my god, bro.
There used to be stairs here.
Oh yeah, I see the... Dude, this is nuts. Bro, I promise you guys, it is not doing justice. I mean, it looks big on camera because, I mean, that's a Bobcat right there. But, dude, I feel small in here. That's the best way I can explain it. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's so big that you feel small. Dude, this is easily, these ceilings are easily as high. Like, if you guys have ever been in like a Lowe's or Home Depot, it's like, it's up there. It's like comparable to that.
Garage door's 10. That gives you an idea.
Yeah, okay. So those are 10 feet, 18 and 20 foot ceilings probably, something like that. Dude, this is nuts. Oh my god.
The wall went straight across. So we'll have to open. So what this will be, we'll have a curtain here, and then this will be a clean room for wraps.
Oh, I can see it already, bro. Oh my god.
Clean room for wraps and everything else. So
dude. Oh, and there's like room over here.
Yeah.
For like cameras and, dude, for every, oh my god, bro.
We have a wrap in here.
Yeah.
Without,
you're keeping this just how it is, right? Okay.
And then we'll have a curtain that slides across.
Dude.
So this will be a clean room for wraps and like just coating.
Like coatings, wraps, like final, potentially like final picture area too. I'm thinking hex lights and stuff on the ceiling, and then I want to put like that really cool tile stuff on the ground too.
We'll do it here.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you can't do it in this whole area, bro. It'd be like $5,000. Dude, this is perfect.
He did a really good job on it.
Oh my god.
We could probably, so we're gonna put that curtain there. So kind of isolate it.
Yep.
But just so we have some clean area here.
Mm-hmm. No, this will work perfect because.
So like this is what I was saying. If you want to do hex lights.
Yeah, definitely hex lights in here.
You do hex lights only through.
Yeah, you throw hex lights, boom, and then I don't know, something over here. Dude, maybe you could do like how that other room has spotlights here that point this way. Maybe I don't know if that would be cool or not. I don't know how lighting works for.
Black ceilings.
Yeah. Because then you would notice the hex lights more. Yeah, keep it continuity.
Like whenever.
Oh yeah.
Customers pick up cars, and like they're in the clean room, like this is the showcase room. It's the lobby right here, so it's just just walk right here.
Dude, I'm excited about this. I didn't know that this spot existed. So like this is perfect for like setting up cameras or like just having stuff that isn't in people's way. It's perfect.
Yeah, and we'll also like this room will be like a leisure area, I guess. Like like this is where like the waiters will be, or I'm gonna make this a break room too for us.
Yeah.
Like over here we'll have like a fridge and all that stuff will be here.
Oh yeah.
we're essentially just going to take the water
Perfect.
from there and just run the pipe on the outside of the wall.
Yeah.
So it's out here.
Dude, this will be... I still haven't even seen, like, there's a spot over there that I still haven't seen yet.
Like, you haven't even gone on the mezzanine yet.
No, I haven't. I know you said that it's like the pictures don't do it justice. This is insane.
That's pretty cool.
It is crazy, bro. Dude, hold on, wait. This is a perfect example of how big this is. Yeah. Bro, it's insane. Yeah.
8 feet.
Dude.
Another 10 feet up.
Oh my
So
God.
it's gonna be a big ass logo on this wall.
That is gonna be sick.
Honestly, it'd be a 10-foot logo, 10 by 10 square.
Yeah. So, okay, this door, is this the side that can be expanded on?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
go like 60 feet down.
So if this place wasn't already big enough, which it definitely is massive, you know what else is massive, but if we wanted to eventually expand the building, I think you could do it over here. Yeah.
You could do another shop on the end, do something like
Yeah.
a different department, or you could make this shop bigger. But really, to blow this wall out, it'd be a lot. So
Yeah.
you open it up to have a car drive through.
Well, dude, all you would have... Oh, yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah,
Right,
so
because you would
either
need...
way, have to do a decent amount of work to
Yeah.
But it's not.
I don't think that is not anytime soon, I wouldn't think. Yeah. Okay, so I want to go up on the mezzanine. Take me up there. Because, dude, this is... I think that going up there will show just how big this place actually is. Yeah, there used to be stairs like here that went up.
Yeah, there used to be stairs there, and stairs still here. Metal stairs.
Oh, metal. Hell yeah, dude. Bro, that was like 30 stairs. Oh my God, bro. I'm scared of heights. This is... And then there's also drains over here for wash bays. Yeah, so there's basically... Are those both wash bays or... Yeah.
You can pull apart on both these sides of the wash bar.
Yeah, dude, we definitely need to get some like cool ass shelves, like just for like storing like just random stuff up here.
This might just be like
Storage.
Storage for
Yeah. So they basically just added this like inner square kind
Broke
of.
all this up, and then because this used to have like a step, and like kind of a tripping hazard.
Okay. Yeah.
Dude, it still doesn't feel. You don't still realize how big because these machines are huge.
No, yeah. This is a good scale, and then you standing over there, you're like what 6'2" or something?
Yeah, it's like
6'1", yeah. Dude.
6'1".
And yeah, I mean you could just tell how big this place actually is.
That's a big ass bobcat.
Okay, let me put this in perspective too. So the shop that we're like currently at / used to be at, depending when you guys see this, we basically had like, honestly, I'd say like this area right here and like maybe like half of this.
Maybe to the end of the stairs.
Yeah, maybe. So we're used to this, and now there's all of this.
Yeah, so there's water access down here.
Yeah.
We got water. We'll obviously do a whole like pressure washer system.
Pressure washer, yeah.
Pressure washer system, a whole setup.
Yeah.
We'll have there.
So what is this supposed to be over here? Oh my God, dude. Hell yeah. That's perfect.
So this is gonna be like the dirty room for like. It kind of depends. We might do like we can put like a mini like.
Oh shoot, this is sick.
Yeah. So this has air in it too. So this might be like a little setup for like.
Yeah.
Any painting, anything, any like small stuff, painting stuff.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to find like a perfect use for like a room like this,
It's
but
gonna be for like painting. We could do like we could put sand blast right here. We could do.
Yep.
We could do like a smaller cabinet, and do like powder coating smaller parts. Nothing crazy. But we could,
yeah, I mean,
like we do like paint. We do
dude.
brake calipers. You can like do small.
Hold on, let me shoot a shot real quick. Is the carbon fiber dream dead?
Is what?
Is the carbon fiber dream dead or no?
No, but we can specialize in making
Hey.
stuff. We can make specific parts.
I'm just saying, I have 3D printers, and with 3D printers you can make basically molds for custom carbon fiber parts.
like forged carbon, like.
I'm just saying,
Yeah.
could be done in here. I'm just saying. Yeah, this is like a nice little storage area. Yeah. Revamping stuff like this is kind of hard to do, but
yeah, but like this is it's just storage for now. Like it's perfect.
Yeah.
You can
like
throw a bunch of
repaint
vinyl
or
in
something.
really, or,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
so it saves a lot
Anything.
of room.
Yeah.
It's a lot of space.
I mean, what? There's a bathroom here. I didn't even notice.
There's 2 bathrooms.
Oh, there's another one right there.
Yeah, so that's a women's like. So,
Women, we can just label
you got
women's
your
and
own,
men's. Yeah.
You got your own toilet.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that. And then wait, was I over in here? Yeah, I was over in there. Okay, yeah. Dude, there's so much here that I like don't even know where I'm at. No more asbestos. Hold on, you gotta. Boom.
you have a screwdriver?
We got a drill.
Huh?
You have a flathead screwdriver?
No, I don't have a screwdriver. Oh, what do I gotta do?
Take the outlet covers off.
I can do that. I can do that. But as you can tell, we're already painting. This is gonna be the color of these. Yeah, this is gonna be the color of these main walls, and then this back wall is gonna be a different color. I'll show you guys later. But you heard the man. I gotta take off these outlet covers, so let me get to work on that. Let me put this in there. No. So we are taking off this, pegboard kind of thing?
Yeah, pegboard.
Yeah, we're taking this one off and leaving this one because over here is going to be a pricing guide type thing.
On this wall.
Okay, sick. But then over here, something will be used over here. I don't know what.
It's actually not.
Oh yeah.
I cannot make this up. Sigma Electronics. Hell yeah.
Sigma, baby.
Very Sigma.
What the skibbity?
Dude.
So what had happened was...
Yeah, what happened here?
I came down to do a nice little...
You were rolling down and then forgot that the down ended?
And I was pushing too hard and I just went right...
Yep, that'll do it. That's okay. That'll come off with the razor blade.
It's going to be easier to take off with the big block.
Yep, it'll be good. So we're finishing up. Finishing up with this first coat. We've got, what is this even called?
A scaffolding?
Yeah, scaffolding. We've got the scaffolding out so that he can reach towards the top and do the trimming on top. All right, so I cannot take any credit for painting, but it looks amazing. This is gonna be pretty much end of day one for me. But we got pretty much a whole room painted. They got a whole room painted. I sat here, took pictures, and did some video stuff, but looks amazing. See you guys the next day that we are working back here, which will probably be tomorrow. So we're back for day 2 of working on the shop. As you can tell, the paint in the lobby has dried and it looks really, really good as Zach almost dies on a ladder, scaffolding. He's good, but we are working on the lounge now. So got some paint over here. It's gonna be the same color as in there. And then this back wall will also be dark, just like this one will be, dark blue. And then this is getting painted white. One thing that I'm really excited to see how the lounge room kind of turns out is we have these little kind of spotlights. It's gonna look really cool on not just a white background. Yeah, so this is lights off, and then if you turn this on, this is gonna look sick on, once we actually replace these with good light bulbs too. But, yeah, they're all on, but you can't really tell. Yeah, these definitely need upgraded. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a casting couch over here somewhere, so that's gonna be a thing. The rolling professional over here.
Hey, I'm good at rolling other things.
That's crazy. All right, well I just basically said everything and I didn't have my mic plugged in, so I'm gonna say it all again. Shout out to Jake. He got us a bunch of Taco Bell. We have 13 different food items plus a whole box. So we have like over 15 items. Shout out to Jake, but they've been painting the whole time. It's looking really good in here. So whole wall's painted almost over here, almost done over there, and then this wall is huge. So I'm excited to see how it looks without these things on it.
Huge.
It's huge. But I think we're gonna tear into this Taco Bell whenever they're ready and gets eaten. And then I'll keep filming while they paint. No, I'm kidding. All right, let me eat some Taco Bell. Brussels sprouts is valid. That sucks. So as you guys probably saw from the time lapse, I'm actually painting, and I think I did a pretty good job. I've been getting the top of it. Zach's getting the bulk of the wall, but I'm finishing it off, so it's looking good.
You're doing a great job doing a third of the wall.
Hey man, a third is better than zero.
It's better than zero.
It's better than zero. I've now officially painted a wall, so, well,
Barely.
half of a wall, but we'll get there. A third of a half. Yep. But, yeah, we're painting. But, I'm gonna keep painting.
I'm gonna lift over here. We're gonna put, I think what we're gonna do, make this side, add the corner lift here, and then we're gonna like just straight on over here. you can drive around and go in.
Yeah, that way you can just kind of drive in through there, get the car in, and get it into there.
And then you nose the car in the corner.
You don't want, where do you want the nose? That's about as close as you want the nose. That's what I've seen.
Of a car?
Yeah.
There is no way that a car is that long.
It is.
Dude,
The Fleetwood
you're across the whole room.
It's 19.
My God, that is ridiculous, bro.
You know the third bay in my dad's garage?
Yeah,
It literally touches the cabinets.
no way. That is insane. So right now what we're kind of trying to decide is where we should put any type of lifts in here, because it's really hard to kind of manage the space in here, because we need to keep in mind that there's also spots that need to be completely reserved for detailing, and we have to keep a way to drive in to the clean bay for wrapping, for pretty much any type of paint correction or like ceramic coatings. We need to be able to drive into there without having to move a ton of cars out of the way, because that's the current problem that we have at the current shop. Now obviously this place has a ton more room than the current shop, but we still want to maximize the space. So if you guys have any idea of how we should orient things, right now we're kind of thinking kind of angled in here, straight here, but this is the shop, and I've showed you guys a couple times in the video, but if you guys can come up with any other way to orient things, definitely put it down in the comments and try to describe it if you can, because we're kind of struggling to figure out the best way. I think that's the current best way, angled and straight, but we'll see. All right, so the, what is this? The lounge? The lounge room is almost done being painted, obviously, other than the wall that we're making dark blue, but it looks so much more just like, I don't know, the best way I can explain it is just kind of chill in here. So I think that with us painting the whole lobby, the lobby's done getting painted again, other than the dark blue wall in the back. And that is almost done getting painted in there. We did the whole walkthrough and everything. I think that we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this first video of showing off the new shop. I am super, super excited to get something going in here. Getting the walls painted and stuff makes it feel so much more like real, I guess. Kind of like it's actually happening. But super excited for things to come, guys. If you are too, and you guys are new to the channel, or if you guys are, you know, longtime viewers, definitely drop a like. If you are new, hit that sub button. Put down in the comments what you're most excited for about this new shop, and I'll see you guys in the next one.